Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Beatrice, and if you are a returning subscriber, what's up, and thanks for being back. Alright guys, so from the title of this video, you already know what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be trying on some makeup, and I know I usually don't do makeup on my channel, but this video is kind of different because I want to try on this product. I've been seeing it on my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok every single day, guys. So I want to try it on, and on their website you just put in your information about your skin type, and they're going to send you a product that's going to match your skin tone. If not, you have 14 days to try on this product. So if you don't like it, you can send the product right back because it's kind of free. They're not going to charge you until after 14 days if you keep the product. I wanna do it my way. Let me live my life. Oh yeah. I wanna do it. This company is called Makiage. I guess you guys have been seeing this all on social media. So I'm going to open this now. Okay, they have a little leaflet in here that comes with like instruction. Alright, so they say over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Okay, even me, I usually get it wrong. So get yours right. Hopefully I'm going to get mine right. So step 1, apply 2 pumps, okay, to your entire face. Oh, just 2 pumps? Oh no, me, I love to be dramatic. Okay, so step 2. Blend out with brush or sponge, not with hand. Okay, so no hand blending, no, sponge or brush. All right, I get that. So step 3, wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Okay, so I think they're trying to say when you apply the foundation on your face, you have to wait 5 minutes before you can check out the shade to know if this is yours or this is not, you know, this is not giving. All right, so step 4 says don't match to your neck or wrist. Okay, they are a different tone from your face. Okay, so for you guys out there that be matching your foundation here or here, nope, just your face, that's it. They are completely different shade from your face. All right, so step 5, finish your face and conceal. Okay, yeah, all normal stuff. So let's go right into the foundation. That's the main thing we are here for. Oh wow, so this is a brush they sent me. Oh wow, this is beautiful. That's their brush, and this was free, guys. They gave it to me free. They said I'm not going to pay anything for it if I like it or not. So I love it already. Okay guys, so this is the foundation, and this is the Woke Up Like This foundation. So I got it in the shade 105, and I also got a concealer, guys. Let me see. Okay, this is the concealer, guys. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful. And this is their I'm Flawless concealer, and I got it in the shade 08. Okay, so I'm about to test the both out right now. I don't have any foundation on my face. I already moisturized my face and apply some primer. I have a very dry skin, guys, so that's why you see my face a little bit shiny, because all of my products are all dewy product because of my skin. My skin is very, very dry. Okay, so let's get into this right now. So okay, let's do this. One right here and one going to be right here. Oh, I think I did 3 instead of 2. All right, so I'm going to use my brush. This is the brush they sent me, guys. I usually do my foundation with brush. I feel like what's the thing, and the sponge usually take a lot of the foundation. So let me see if this is my foundation tone. The moment of truth. Oh, it already looked like my skin. Oh, guys, can you oh my god. What is I'm speechless right now, but first let me just apply the oh my oh my god. Wow, this is just my skin tone. Lord have mercy, what are these people doing? These are no, this is crazy. This is just my skin tone. How can this get this so right? Okay, all right, I'm done right now. I'm done talking. Wow. I'm so surprised that these people get the thing so freaking right. How do they do this? Is that magic? Oh, and I love the smell of it, guys. It smells so nice. The foundation smells so nice. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm done talking. Did I say I was done talking and I'm still talking? Okay. Okay, I think this is given. Okay, it is given. So right now I'm going to apply the concealer because I think the foundation is already giving what it's supposed to give. guys, so this is the final look of the makeup. This is how the makeup turned out. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like this kind of video as well. So these are the product that I use, the foundation and the concealer. I'm going to leave the information about this product down below this video, and make sure you guys check it out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you made it to the end of this video, please hit that subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.